If you want to learn how to put text in CapCut quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to add text to your project, edit it, and get it looking exactly the way you want. This is perfect whether you're making short-form videos, editing a vlog, or just adding captions, titles, or labels to your content. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project. Once your project is loaded, look at the top menu and click on Text. This is where all of CapCut's text tools are located, and it's the first step to adding text to your video. After that, look to the left side of the screen and click Add Text. When you hover over default text, you'll see a plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to insert the text into your project. As soon as you do that, the text will be added to your timeline, which means it's now part of your edit and ready to be customized. Now go to the preview window and click directly on the text you just added. This will let you select it so you can edit the words, change the style, and adjust the placement. Type in whatever text you want, whether that's a title, caption, call out, or any message you want to show on screen. From there, you can fine-tune it to match your video style and make it stand out better. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to put text in CapCut in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.